This gorgeous, updated English-style home is truly move-in ready. It's located within walking distance to multiple parks, Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, cafes, and restaurants in a vibrant, close-in neighborhood. Discover the perfect blend of modern upgrades and timeless charm with beautiful hardwood floors, light-filled rooms, and a cozy fireplace. You'll find stunning improvements while maintaining its original charm and character. The dining room opens to the large kitchen, featuring stainless steel appliances, a stylish backsplash, gas range, and granite countertops. From this main-level bedroom, you can head out the French doors to your deck for morning coffee. This home of nearly 2,900 square feet has 3 bedrooms, with designer finishes in the 2 remodeled baths. Upstairs, you'll find an inviting primary suite with great ceiling height, complete with a walk-in closet, additional closet, and a spectacular ensuite bathroom. A generous, finished basement offers plenty of flex room to have a home gym, office, kids' playroom, or a comfortable living space. The large backyard is usable, flat, fully fenced, and comes with a flagstone patio and detached garage. A gorgeous English-style beauty in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.